everybody has a responsibility to reduce our carbon footprint. Within our built environment, many opportunities exist to meet our goals. A recent report from AECOM found emergency lighting technology from Clevertronics can reduce carbon by an incredible 89%. Building owners, facility managers, engineers, designers and installers are all seeking practical ways to reduce operational and embodied carbon emissions. Carbon reduction opportunities exist in many areas of the emergency lighting lifecycle, including operational energy consumption, fitting replacement, traveling for testing and maintenance, replacement batteries, waste disposal, and extra hardware and components. The AECOM study made some key findings. The Clevertronics L10 battery has a lower carbon footprint in comparison to NiCad and nickel metal hydride alternatives that require on average between 4 to 6 cells compared to 1 cell. Per single battery, the NiCad nickel metal hydride battery has an embodied carbon impact around 1.5 times greater than L10. The L10 luminaire design life is 3 times greater than NiCad and nickel metal hydride and outperforms any other lithium-powered luminaire. The AECOM findings are clear. Clevertronics emergency lighting luminaires offer the highest carbon reduction outcomes compared to alternatives on the market. Contact us today to find out how you can join the emergency lighting revolution for a more sustainable future. Clevertronics.co.uk